In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-character story with PolyBuzz. We'll go from a blank browser to a ready-to-chat cast, and I'll explain what each field does so your characters feel consistent and engaging. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press Enter. From the results, click the official PolyBuzz site to arrive on the home page. On the home page, choose the option to create a character, then select Create to open a fresh character setup screen. This is your workspace for defining how each character looks, sounds, and speaks. Upload the avatar image you want to use. If you're building a cast and want visual consistency, use the same avatar image across characters or stick to a uniform art style. Square images usually crop best, and a neutral expression gives the model more flexibility across scenes. Now, add a clear name. Pick names that instantly communicate a role. This makes it easy to track who's who in your story and keeps your dialogue organized. Write a concise intro. Think of this like a log line, who the character is, what they care about, and how they speak. A sentence or two that captures personality and purpose will guide the character's voice throughout your story. Add a greeting. This is the first line your character delivers when a chat begins, so set the tone, friendly, formal, mysterious, or quirky, depending on your narrative style. Add a tag to keep your cast organized. Tags for role, genre, team, or location make it easier to filter and reuse characters later, especially as your world grows. Provide a background. Summarize backstory, relationships, goals, and constraints. Include what motivates the character and what they avoid. This context helps the character respond consistently and stay grounded in your plot. Click Add Dialogue Style, then add quick examples like hi and hello in the tone you want. You can signal style with punctuation, emoji, or phrasing so introductions feel on-brand every time. Click Save to lock in your work and avoid losing changes. Choose a voice for the character. Match the voice to the age, energy, and mood you described so audio and text feel aligned. A steady, clear voice works for narrators, while brighter voices suit energetic roles. Finally, click Create Character. After a moment, your character is ready. Open the chat and talk with them to validate tone and behavior. Repeat this same process for each role in your cast, keeping names, tags, and backgrounds aligned with your story world. Once you have multiple characters, alternate conversations to build scenes and move your narrative forward. That's it. You've created a multi-character story with PolyBuzz.